My name is Chris, and welcome to the Camper Dan Files. In today's video, we're going tool shopping. Alright guys, so we are here looking at some tools, some air compressors to be specific. And after consulting things with my lovely wife, this is the 26-gallon Fortress. The other one was the 27-gallon. Slight difference is you get a gallon more and you get 25 psi more. The representative in the store talked me into getting a Inside Track Club membership for the year. So I ended up actually saving $84. Yeah. Check out this Range Rover Land Rover here. Yeah guys, here's our new air compressor. We'll be setting this thing up, put it into place, but before I do, we'll have to clean on the garage a little bit here. And now the moment that we've all been waiting for, we're gonna go ahead and crack this sucker open and see what we got inside. Alright guys, so this is what we have going on. Went ahead and placed the air compressor right here next to my workbench. We're gonna plug it into our workbench here shortly. I'm gonna test things out and see how it goes. And then from there, we're just gonna leave it be until we get some supporting attachments, such as a hose and hose reel, because that's a must-have for me. So yeah guys, it does make some level of noise, as you just heard, but it's an acceptable amount of noise for me. So I feel good about this purchase. I couldn't be happier. Thanks again for stopping by the Camper Dan Files. My name is Chris. At this time, I want to give a huge shout out to all of our current viewers and subscribers. You guys are so awesome. As we close out 2022, we are rapidly approaching 600 subscribers. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready and excited for 2023. So I hope to see you all there. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.